Welcome to Mark's Family Cooking. In this video, we are going to be making a spaghetti carbonara, a proper, authentic spaghetti carbonara. No mushrooms, no cream, just honest Italian cooking. For the ingredients you're going to need, please check out the description where you'll find out everything you're going to need to make this. Spaghetti carbonara is a quick and easy dish to make. It's not something that you have to be a master chef to do. So watch the video, cook along. Any comments, please leave it in the comment section. Let's get cooking. Bring a pan of salted water to the boil. In a large frying pan on a high heat, add 25 grams of butter and melt. To this, you want to add 200 grams of pancetta and 1 whole garlic clove peeled. In a separate bowl, want to use 2 eggs, preferably organic and free range, and just whisk these together with a fork and set aside. Your lardons or your pancetta should be browning nicely. Just keep turning them to get a nice even colour. Once your water's on the boil, add 350 grams of dry spaghetti. Now with your lardons, as soon as your garlic clove starts to brown, remove it. Check your spaghetti, you want it al dente, so you've got a little bit of bite. Drain it and then add this to your pancetta in the pan and take it off the heat. Add your 2 whisked eggs to the spaghetti and then add 40 grams of your grated cheese. And give everything a good mix with some tongs and a spoon to make sure everything is coated in the egg and cheese and getting all the bacon bits up off the bottom. Season with plenty of black pepper and a touch of sea salt. And then you want to add the rest of your grated cheese. Give everything a good mix and then serve it on a plate. This is enough for 4 people. And that's how easy it is to make a delicious, authentic Italian spaghetti carbonara. So how did you find it? Let me know how you got on cooking this authentic spaghetti carbonara in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, just give it a simple thumbs up. Don't forget to check me out on the socials, on Instagram and on Facebook as Mark's Family Cooking. Really hope to see you again soon. Please check out some of my other videos for a bit of inspiration for some family cooking. Thanks for watching. See you later.